I film 3 videos in one day? Why not? Okay, I don't have enough space on my SD card, so we're gonna have to just make this a quick one, okay? Okay, you guys, okay? But yeah, so this is my April favorites. I haven't done a favorites video in a hot minute now, but you know, I finally remember to do it at the end of the month and not like 2 weeks after the month. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and show you guys some stuff that I have been loving lately. So for starters, I've been using this Maybelline Fit Me powder like pretty much every time that I wear makeup, just because it adds like a better color to my skin. I use the shade 10 for Light. I was inspired to use this by Nikki Tutorials. Honestly, it was just like, it was a good thing. It was a good thing to use, and it's not that expensive. You get 20 grams, which is nice. It's a loose powder. It just, I don't know, I'm a fan. It like just adds a little bit of color, but keeps you like matte, but not like super black, you know. And staying along those same lines, you guys know this is my tried and true. I wear it all the time. My Too Faced bronzer. I dabbled into some other bronzers this month, but I wasn't as much of a fan as I was of this. I've tried like the Makeup Forever one. I have tried the other Too Faced ones. I'm just not as much of a fan as I like of this one. It's like a good color for me. It's not too warm, at least in my opinion. So it's what I'm working with, okay? And then, literally, if you have watched any video I have put up here recently, can I get this out? I don't think I'm gonna get it out. No. Can I get it out? I hope so. Okay. Yeah. So this is the ColourPop blush in the shade Why Hello. I really need to memorize that because I literally use this pretty much every time I wear makeup. It is like a new favorite for me. There is a whole ton of kick up when you dip your brush in there, but girl, it looks so good. Like, look at my blush. It's so pretty. It goes on kind of heavy. You can use a heavy hand. It's fine. Like, it'll look heavy at first, but it'll just kind of melt into your skin and look so natural. Okay, like just do it. And then another product that I've been loving is the Professional here. I got this during the Ulta Beauty 21 Days Beauty kind of thing. It was 50% off, and that's why I got it, because you know I really have been wanting to like dabble into that, and I didn't want to spend like $31 for it, so $15.50 is a heck of a lot better. But yeah, what else have I been loving? Oh, okay, let's just talk about this for a second. It is the Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant. I used this once, and it's already a favorite. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. It resurfaces and reveals your skin. That's what it's called. That's what it says. Basically, you put it on thickly-ish, like do a nice layer. You leave it on for 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off with water. And it says that you should use oil afterwards. That's what I did. Girl, my face, I couldn't stop touching it. It's never felt like a baby's bottom more in my life, even when I was a small child. Like, it was so soft and smooth. I literally could not stop touching it. And even the next day I was like, holy crap. It says you can use this twice a week. Girl, you best believe I'm gonna use this twice a week, because it's freaking amazing. What else? I have been really liking the it's the Lancome mascara base, super enhancing mascara base. It's Cils Booster XL, CILS Booster XL. This is just like a white base. I have the mini of it. I think I have another mini too. You put it on, and then, well, I curl my lashes, and then I put it on, and then I apply the mascara immediately after. You don't wait for it to dry, so I do one eye at a time, and it is really, really, really good. Like, your lashes will look so much longer and so much more full than normal. It's just amazing. I usually layer Perversion and Better Than Sex on top of it. Like, those are my two go-to, but I've used other ones like the L'Oreal, what's it called? What is it called? What are you called? Voluminous Black Paradise. This is about, yes, and that would have been sad. But yeah, like, literally, it's amazing. Amazing. Another skincare thing that I've been using now is this Belief Moisturizing and Firming Eye Cream. I know I have the box because I've been using my mini, but I do have the full size as well. It's just like I put this on in the morning. I don't use this at night. I use something else at night, but as soon as I run out of that, girl, I'm just gonna use this because it makes my eyes feel so hydrated. Like I didn't realize how dry my eye, like around my eyes were until I started using that. Like I just like, and I'm like, oh, it's just, what? Like, where have you been all my life? Why have I not been using it? It just feels so soft and smooth and silky, and it's one of my favorite parts of my morning skincare routine. It is. What else? Okay, these, honestly, I think this is gonna be it because my camera's about to die, and I've talked about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, and that's enough, honestly, because I haven't worn makeup like a super crazy ton this month. But that's gonna have to be it. These magnetic lashes that I did a review on, I wore these to work the other day, and honestly, I don't want to say that it's like a favorite because my favorite lashes are one of my House of Lashes there, but these are really nice. Like they are up there on my list because yes, they are a pain putting on, but all lashes are a pain to put on. They are much more comfortable than any lash pair I've ever worn. Like they're pretty much more comfortable than any lashes because they don't pull at your eyes. You don't feel them because they're not touching your skin. They're solely sitting on your lashes, but they're not heavy. They have 4 magnets on each lash. You put a piece on the top and a piece on the bottom, and it just clasps onto there, and it's honestly perfect. Like, you have to do it right, and it takes a couple tries to like get it close enough to your lash line where you don't see the band, because like if you just put it like out here, it obviously is gonna look dumb. So like just get it close enough to your eye, but don't be afraid that it's gonna close in your eye. I was, if you watch my video, I was, but like this is honestly, it's not bad at all. But it's just real nice, and it looks flatter if you line it up right. You don't have to trim them. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend that because they have magnets on them. But as long as you line it up right, it'll be fine. You don't have to wear eyeliner with them either. Like I feel like often I feel obligated to wear eyeliner when I do, what is it called? Eyelashes, because like I feel like the band just like stops and it's like looks odd to me, at least because I'm not used to it. But like with those, you don't have to because it's not sitting on your lashes. Like it's just sitting, like it's sitting on your lashes, not on the lash line. So it's honestly amazing. This foundation, I don't know if it's gonna be a favorite or not because I just tried it out in my Sunday Riley video. If it's not up yet, it'll be up soon. So you guys should check that out too. That is it. So really, like, eye cream, bomb. This facial thingy, mask thingy, oh, freaking amazing. I'm probably gonna use it either tonight or tomorrow. Professional is my new love because, like, honestly, nothing has smoothed out my pores as much as this. Like, even this one, the Urban Decay Optical Illusion is good. It's really freaking good, but I almost like this one better. But I'm pretty sure you get 28 milliliters in this one and you get 22 in this one for the same price-ish. You're getting more in that one, but this one's good. But I mean, if you get this one on sale, get this one. Lancome, super good. I'm pretty sure it's pricey because it's Lancome, but you know, ColourPop, $8. Do it. It's amazing. This one, literally, if you watch my channel, why have you not this? And you're my skin color-ish. Just saying. This one is a good one. I mean, it's drugstore. It's okay. Like, I haven't found my perfect powder, you know? And then these lashes for $10 at Marshall. Girl, go get you some. Oh, boy, you know, whatever. I don't judge. But yeah, that's it, you guys. That's really all I have to tell you. I don't have a lip favorite. I've actually been struggling. Oh, my Laneige. It's on my nightstand. My Laneige lip sleeping lip mask, whatever. That's amazing too. You will see. Like, look, my lips aren't chunky or peely or dry or crackly. Nope, they're looking good. And this is a matte lipstick. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my April 2018 favorites. Whoa, my arms look really jiggly there. I promise. But anyways, no, like, it just looked awkward. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!